Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Avner, and today we're going to learn about this dictionary of linear searching. Okay, it's a dictionary of the linear searching. So what I mean is, first we have to make an empty dictionary. So no, we're gonna do contact. Contact equals to a take dictionary. So empty dictionary. Then what we're gonna do is what you have to do. Like what I mean. Like what we have. So anyways, we're gonna talk about the number of contact. Okay? What we're gonna do is it bracket input bracket quotation marks into your number of contact. Meaning contact. You'll see later. Brian range. Oh, Brian range. Oh my gosh. Brian range. Brian range. Number of contacts. What we have to do is name equals to input bracket quotation marks into your name. Then contact number. Contact number equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks into your contact number. So how to get someone's contact number? How do we do that? How do you get someone's contact number? First of all, what we have to do is find their name. After finding their name, we can get their contact number. So here I can show you an example, okay? So here let me show you an example of it. So if we go to WhatsApp here. Yeah, I'll just we'll be right back of that. I couldn't do it, guys, but sorry. So here, we have to find a name like, let's say, little Timmy. Then we look into his data, find the phone numbers. That easy. Now, next, what we have is number of contact. Then do the contact. Yeah, contact. The contact. Okay. Oh, my bad. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I? Anyways, name equal to contact. Oh, what was I doing? A contact. Then after that, what do we do is print the dictionary. So print contact. Here, we're not done yet. Like, no, this is better. Little Timmy. So you can say TM for abbreviation. Then contact number is 343 555 2810. Oh, what did I do? Oh, yeah, my bad. I forgot. Anyways, it's contact number. So here's the code again. Code again, run the code again. What should I say? Two, blah, 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 blah. Where? Oh, again? What am I doing? It's contact numbers. Contact numbers. Now, no wasting time on that. What we're gonna do is make a variable target equals to int bracket. No. Yeah. Int bracket. No, what was I doing? Yeah. Input bracket quotation marks enter your name. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. After that, if I equals to, I mean not if, that's later, for I in the contact numbers dot keys. That's it. If I equals to target, found equals to 1. Oh, my bad. First, you have to define found here as 0. Now we're going to do it. Found equals to 1. If we didn't define found as 0 on line 9, it would be error, right? Anyways, break. Or you don't have to use break. We're using break so the program can go faster. That's what we're trying to do. After that, if found equals to 1, what we have to do is print. What am I doing today, guys? Yeah, exactly. This. Print. We found the contact number contact and the phone number is whatever. Blah, blah, meh, blah, blah. Okay, anyways. Contact number, targets. Okay, else, you know what happens. We did not find the target. Else, print we did not find the target. Then that's it. I think. If I say 2, uh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, what did I do? Let me check again. What did I do here? What did I? Interior. Oh, ah, contact numbers. Two. AVNER. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it? Oh, where was it again? Where's line 6? Contact numbers, name the. Oh, what? And was I? Anyways, that was my bad. What we forgot is that I put contacts over here on the list when I was supposed to put contact numbers. To Avner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and her. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So she made the list. If we say here, he did not find the name. Let's do it again. 2. Oh my God, what did I do? So 2 equals to Abner. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now find the name. If we say Abner, we found the name and the phone number is whatever. Okay, so this is how it works. So thank everyone for listening about my video about the linear searching, but using a dictionary. Okay, a dictionary. I hope you like it and bye.